The Dembel motorhome is a stylish, compact, and versatile recreational vehicle designed to bring comfort and convenience to every journey. With its sleek exterior and thoughtfully crafted interior, it offers travelers the perfect blend of functionality and elegance, making it an excellent choice for both individuals and families eager to explore the great outdoors. Inside, the motorhome is outfitted with everything needed for a smooth and enjoyable trip. A cozy sleeping area for restful nights, a compact yet practical kitchenette for preparing meals on the go, and a well-designed bathroom that ensures convenience no matter where the road leads. Ample storage space allows you to bring along all the gear, essentials, and supplies you need, making packing and organization effortless. Built with efficiency at its core, the Dembel motorhome is fuel-conscious and eco-friendly, helping you travel responsibly without compromising on performance. Whether it's a short weekend getaway or an extended road adventure, this motorhome is a true masterpiece in motion, offering freedom, comfort, and efficiency with every mile. Marathon Coach 1363 is a 2024 H345 double-slide model designed with an impressive array of features carefully chosen by its owners. Styled with dark neutral tones accented by subtle touch of blue, this custom coach creates a striking presence against the often overcast skies of the Pacific Northwest. Inside, soft accent lighting and illuminated panels ensure a warm and welcoming atmosphere in every corner. A cozy fireplace adds both ambience and comfort, making it the perfect spot to relax with a blanket and a hot drink on cooler days. The galley is thoughtfully designed, featuring an expansive pantry hidden behind an illuminated art door, a large refrigerator, a concealed dishwasher, covered stove, and even a wine cooler for an elevated culinary experience. Rough-cut tile backsplashes add texture to the water closets, while the spacious shower boasts smooth walls, a special sliding door, and its own illuminated panel. In the bedroom, two substantial closets, including one with a full-length mirror, provide ample storage so clothing and essentials can travel neatly without wrinkling. The Starliner SL25 is a premium luxury motorhome built on the Iveco Daily chassis, combining spacious design, refined finishes, and impressive off-road capability. With a gross vehicle weight rating of 7.5 tons and a cargo capacity of 2 tons, it balances strength and practicality for extended adventures. Power comes from a 3.0L turbo diesel engine, delivering 180 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque, paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission and a full-time 4-wheel drive system, with locking differentials for confident handling in any terrain. Inside, the SL25 offers generous accommodations for up to 6 travelers, featuring a rear bedroom with a queen-sized bed, a convertible dinette that transforms into an additional sleeping area, and 2 convenient pop-top bunks. The fully equipped kitchen includes a refrigerator, stove, oven, and microwave, making meal preparation effortless on the road. A well-designed bathroom rounds out the interior with a shower, toilet, and sink, ensuring both comfort and convenience wherever your journey takes you. The Becker Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Jetvan Luxury conversion represents the ultimate blend of sophistication, comfort, and functionality on wheels. Built upon the already impressive Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, this transformation elevates travel into a first-class experience. Inside, the Jetvan showcases an opulent interior featuring plush leather seating, exquisite custom woodwork, and elegant ambient lighting that together create an atmosphere rivaling top luxury hotels. The spacious cabin provides ample room for passengers to relax, stretch out, and enjoy every mile of the journey. For entertainment and productivity, it comes equipped with cutting-edge audiovisual systems, including flat-screen televisions, a premium sound system, and even a fully integrated mobile office setup for travelers who wish to stay connected and work while on the road. Attention to detail is evident throughout, with the use of high-quality materials and a wide range of customizable options tailored to meet individual tastes. Safety is also a priority, as advanced driver assistance systems ensure every ride is both secure and worry-free. The Winnebago Forza is a Class A motorhome that masterfully combines luxury, comfort, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for couples, families, or groups of friends eager to experience the open road in style. Built on a durable Freightliner XCS chassis and powered by Cummins ISB 6.7L turbocharged diesel engine, the Forza delivers reliable performance for long adventures. It also comes standard with essential safety features such as anti-lock brakes, traction control, and stability control, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Inside, the Forza is equally impressive, offering a spacious living area with a comfortable sofa, theater seating system, and a large TV for entertainment. The fully equipped kitchen includes all the essentials for preparing meals on the go, while the bedroom provides a cozy queen-sized bed and generous storage space. Additional amenities elevate the experience, including a central vacuum system, washer and dryer, and even a fireplace, creating a home-like environment that enhances both convenience and comfort. The 2023 Mercedes Sprinter Delano 24RW is a Class C motorhome built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, offering a perfect balance of luxury, efficiency, and drivability. Designed for RV enthusiasts who want a lightweight, easy-to-handle coach without sacrificing amenities, it provides the comfort of a larger unit in a more compact form. With a single slide-out, the spacious interior accommodates up to 5 people, featuring a queen-sized bed in the rear bedroom, a convertible dinette in the living area, and a cab-over bunk for additional sleeping space. The fully equipped kitchen includes a refrigerator, stove, oven, and microwave, making meal preparation simple and convenient. The bathroom adds further comfort with a shower, toilet, and sink. Power comes from a 3.0L V6 turbo diesel engine, producing 188 horsepower and 325 lb-ft of torque, paired with a smooth 7-speed automatic transmission. With a gross vehicle weight rating of 15,250 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 4,220 pounds, the Delano 24RW is built for both comfort and capability on the open road. The Tesla Cybertruck stands out with its bold, angular, and futuristic design that redefines the traditional pickup truck aesthetic. Built with an ultra-durable stainless steel exoskeleton and armored glass windows, it combines toughness with innovation. Tesla offers multiple configurations, including single-motor, dual-motor, and tri-motor variants, each delivering different levels of capability. The tri-motor version is the most powerful, boasting acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.9 seconds, making it one of the quickest trucks ever built. Range is another highlight, with Tesla claiming that certain models will achieve over 500 miles on a single charge, depending on battery configuration. Inside, the Cybertruck embraces Tesla's signature minimalist design, featuring a spacious cabin with a modern, tech-focused layout. A large central touchscreen dominates the dashboard, providing intuitive control over the vehicle's wide array of functions, ensuring a futuristic driving experience that blends performance, durability, and cutting-edge technology. The Onyx VW Crafter LWB luxury camper van is a bespoke conversion by Reset and Chill Campers, offering a perfect blend of comfort, style, and functionality for the ultimate road trip. Based on the Volkswagen Crafter LWB, this high-end camper van comfortably accommodates up to 3 people. Its thoughtfully designed interior features a spacious wet room with a hot shower, removable toilet, and sink, alongside a fully equipped kitchen with a gas hob, fridge freezer, and sink for convenient meal preparation. The main living area includes a comfortable sofa bed that converts into a king-size bed, complemented by a single cab bed ideal for a child or guest. Designed for all-weather adventures, the Onyx is equipped with a night diesel heater, solar panels, and a 220V battery bank, allowing extended off-grid stays. Additional thoughtful touches include a dedicated dog crate, ensuring your furry companion can join in on every journey, making the Onyx a luxurious and versatile home on wheels for unforgettable adventures. The Alcovin 1200 is a luxury class A motorhome crafted by Vario Mobile, a renowned German RV manufacturer. Built on the robust Mercedes-Benz Actros 2542 LLL 3-axle truck chassis, it boasts a gross vehicle weight rating of 26,000 pounds. Measuring 49 feet long and 12 feet wide, the Alcovin 1200 offers a spacious and elegantly designed interior that can sleep up to 6 people. Sleeping arrangements include a queen-size bed in the rear bedroom, a double-sized bed in the dinette, and a single cab-over bunk. The fully equipped kitchen features a refrigerator, stove, oven, and microwave, while the bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and sink. Interiors are finished in premium American cherry or walnut wood, complemented by white satin furniture fronts and soft glossy surfaces. With up to 4 slide-outs, the living space can be greatly expanded when parked. Additionally, the XXL garage provides ample space for a small car or motorcycle, making the Alcovin 1200 a perfect blend of luxury, functionality, and mobility. The Brooder EXP7 is a high-performance off-road camper trailer engineered for extreme adventures and rugged terrain. Constructed from Brooder's lightweight yet incredibly strong composite materials, it can carry up to 5 times its own weight while tackling almost any environment with ease. Its patented chassis and advanced suspension system ensure superior towing performance and stability under the toughest conditions. Despite its off-road capabilities, the EXP7 does not compromise on comfort or luxury. The spacious interior includes a versatile kitchen that can be fully opened for outdoor living or closed for indoor cooking, a well-appointed bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink, and a sleeping area with a queen-size bed and ample storage. Combining durability, functionality, and high-end amenities, the EXP7 is ideal for explorers seeking to reach the most remote and challenging destinations without sacrificing comfort, making it the ultimate choice for adventurous travelers who demand the best. The SLRV Expedition Vehicles Isuzu FTS 804x4 Crew Cab is a luxury off-road camper designed for exploring the most remote and demanding terrains. Built on a reliable and durable Isuzu FTS 800 chassis, it combines rugged capability with comfort and style. Power comes from a 5.2L turbocharged diesel engine, generating 215 horsepower and 457 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and a full-time 4-wheel drive system for exceptional off-road performance. The spacious interior accommodates up to 6 people, featuring a king-size bed in the rear bedroom, a convertible dinette in the living area, and 2 pop-top bunks for additional sleeping space. The fully equipped kitchen includes a refrigerator, stove, oven, and microwave, while the bathroom provides a shower, toilet, and sink. With its blend of luxury, practicality, and rugged engineering, the FTS 804x4 Crew Cab offers an unparalleled off-road adventure experience without compromising comfort. The 2024 Nomar London Air is a luxury motorhome designed for travelers who demand the very best. Offered in 5 floor plans, each 45 feet long with a rear bath and cathedral ceiling, it combines elegance, space, and comfort. Built on a Spartan K3 tag-axle chassis and powered by a 605 horsepower X15 engine, the London Air delivers exceptional performance and stability. Safety features come standard, including comfort drive steering, on-guard collision mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and automatic headlights. Inside, high-quality materials and refined finishes create a luxurious and inviting atmosphere. The spacious living area features a large sofa, 2 recliners, and a coffee table, while the fully equipped kitchen includes a stainless steel refrigerator, stove, oven, and microwave. The bedroom offers a queen-size bed and dresser, and the bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and sink. The 2024 London Air is the ultimate choice for those seeking a premium motorhome ideal for long, comfortable road trips. Intech has unveiled its new OVR line of travel trailers, expanding its reputation for all-aluminum, high-quality trailers with a series designed for adventurous, off-grid travel. The OVR series is crafted for those seeking a maneuverable trailer capable of reaching even the most remote destinations. Debuting with 3 distinct models that vary in length and equipment. Each trailer is built around a fully welded cage and frame for durability and strength. The base OVR model, called the Expedition, starts at $58.38 and accommodates up to 5 people. Despite being the smallest of the trio, it offers a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a comfortable bedroom. Additional features include an optional power-folding awning with wind detection, a slide-out kitchen for outdoor cooking, and a solar system providing 400 watts of power, making it a versatile and self-sufficient choice for travelers seeking both comfort and adventure. Tesla Visual Dynamics, a design firm, has transformed a Tesla Semi into a groundbreaking RV concept, merging luxury travel with electric, autonomous technology. The idea of an electric, self-driving RV represents a futuristic vision where transportation and housing combine seamlessly. Unlike traditional RVs, this concept allows the vehicle to drive autonomously to any destination while managing daily tasks, offering unprecedented convenience. Many enthusiasts are drawn to the appeal of a fully solar-powered electric camper, where the same battery pack that powers the vehicle by day can support off-grid living. This setup enables zero-emission travel, with the ability to recharge at night and repeat the cycle daily. Solar energy allows for extended off-grid adventures, making the Tesla Semi a compelling foundation for a sustainable, high-tech motorhome that could redefine the future of travel and autonomous living.